Welcome to Aligned. It's great to have you here. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn how to set up a clean buyer-ready room in just a few steps. A room is your deal's home base. One link that brings everything together for your buyer or client and gives you visibility into deal engagement. Here's what a great room looks like: clean, personal, and easy to navigate. And it only takes a few quick steps to get there. To give your room a strong first impression, just add a short intro note with your contact info. Brand it with your buyer's logo, and drop in a relevant deck or two you may already have. That's it. A few simple pieces, and your room is ready to go. Let's take a look at how the room is structured. Rooms are built from two simple elements: sections and tabs. Sections are the building blocks of your room. In edit mode, just click the plus button to add the one that best fits. Use sections to share content. Set next steps. Introduce your team or embed your favorite tools like Loom, Calendly, or Google Slides. You can reorder, rename, or hide sections and tabs with just a few clicks, keeping certain content out of view until the right stage of the deal. Each section is also a space for collaboration, where you and your buyers can comment, tag teammates, and keep discussions in context. Tabs help you organize those sections into themes, so your content is grouped by purpose, making it easier for everyone to find what they need. You can keep any tab internal until you're ready to share it. If your team is already using Aligned, you'll find ready-to-use content in the library. Just drop it into your room. From what we've seen across thousands of deals, starting with 3 to 4 key sections is a great place to begin. And because your room is dynamic, not a static deck or landing page, you can keep building as the deal evolves. Once you've got the essentials, click Preview to check how the room looks from your client's point of view. Then share it with a clean link or a quick personal note. Start simple, share early. You can always build as the deal progresses. You're all set.